How to download Opay app on PC. The first things first, if this is not accessible from your Microsoft Store, then you'll have to manually downloading it. So just pull up any preferred web browser that you want to use, but for this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now in your Chrome, just head directly to your search bar and just simply type in Opay for PC. Now you're gonna be seeing a bunch of results in here, but all you have to do is just to click or to choose on this link right here. That will take you out to napk4pc.com's official site. Now once you click on this link right here, you will now then be redirected to APK on Windows and just simply download the specific Opay app link right here. So just simply click on this one right here that's going to be compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10 for PC and laptop. Once downloaded, it will automatically be linked to your browser and then just simply install it for you to be able to use it. So yes, that's it. That's how you download and install Opay app for your PC.